Section 19 of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 6, December 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Larry Wilson. Summary. African lion, Felis leocampensis. Range all over central and southern Africa, from the western to the eastern coast, and as far north as the 20th degree of northern latitude. Cacti. 1. Echinocadus lecontii, Tempe, Arizona. 2. Mammillaria sherrii, Nogales, Arizona. American flying squirrel, Pteromus volucella. Range all over the United States and Central America. Hummingbirds. 1. Lampornis gramineus, Venezuela. 2. Pedicifera anais, Colombia. 3. White-tailed hummer. Silkworm, Bombyx mori, originally from China. California vulture, Pseudogryphus californianus. Other name, California condor. Range, coast ranges of Southern California from Monterey Bay southward into Lower California, formerly north to Fraser River. Nest, on the bare floor of a cave in a lofty precipice. Egg, 1. American goldeneye, Glaucionetta clangula americana. Other names, whistler, whistle wing, brass-eyed whistler, great head, garret. Range, North America, nesting from our northern borders to the far south, and wintering in the United States southward to Cuba. Nest, in hollow trees lined with grass, leaves, and moss. Eggs, 6 to 10, ashy green in color. American skunk, Mephitis varians. Range, extensive, being most plentiful near Hudson Bay, whence it is distributed southward. End of Section 19. End of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 6, December 1898. This recording is in the public domain.